I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning yourself where Windcleavers commonly spawn. Go to Hebra or the Gerudo Highlands and load your hard save. Once done, gear up with shock and cold resistance and carry at least 3 Savage Lionel-class weapons to force drops. Make sure the in-game time is near midnight and perform a Blood Moon trick if needed to refresh weapon spawns. Don't waste time on unrelated prep. Teleport, gather stamina food, and approach likely spawn zones immediately to begin search cycles. Now you sweep predictable spawn routes along ridgelines and high ground paths where strong enemies and giants patrol. Move with stealth to avoid killing potential carriers. Instead, use long-range bows to thin groups outside spawn zones so the game still considers weapon drops. Once done, trigger a Blood Moon or fast travel away and back, or sleep until morning to reset the weapon pool and enemy spawns. This refresh is why repeated short runs work better than one long clear. Repeat cycles until a Windcleaver appears. Finish by dispatching the specific enemy holding the Windcleaver quickly, prioritizing flurry, stun, or headshots to ensure a clean drop. Once dropped, pick it up right away to avoid despawn. Make sure you have inventory space and check duplicates in your armory to confirm acquisition. If a Windcleaver never appears after several runs, reload the hard save, clear nearby caches by leaving the region, and force another Blood Moon cycle. This troubleshooting step fixes most spawn and drop hiccups. Repeat until successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.